Well, hello, I'm the Rifter. Here's another nifty video for you. If you have a Ford entertainment system such as this one, or a Ford Maverick with this setup, and your screen just, has an error, won't connect, won't turn on, which mine's fine now, but let's say it just jacks up for a minute. If you hold your power button and your fast forward or skip forward button for 3 to 5 seconds, it will reboot your entire system. So you see the Ford logo, everything will come back up, but this will temporarily fix your, the Bluetooth won't connect, all you get is static from the radio, your screen freezes up. This is like a temporary fix. But yeah, let me know if this helped you. Like, share, subscribe, all that stuff.